Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make Ugba with green plantain water, Ugba without potash. Ugba is Nigerian delicious delicacy served in most traditional parties and wedding ceremonies. So keep watching and see how I make this simple Ugba. Let's dive into it. So first, on a clean pot, I will go ahead and add my green plantain water. Next, I'll go in and add 125 ml of palm oil. Add yours according to the quantity of Ugba you want to make. Like I said from the beginning, it's a very simple small quantity Ugba I want to make. And if you want to know how to get green plantain water, don't worry, I will show you how to get that on one of my videos. So after adding it, mix for 8 to 10 minutes to achieve the consistency you want for your sauce. You notice that I did not use potash. Most people don't like potash, so this is alternative using green plantain water. Hello, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. Please stay connected, like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families. Next, I go in with my blended crayfish or prawns, and then next I go in with what we call oporo in Nigeria, that is dry big prawns, and then 1 teaspoon of black chili pepper, and then my boiled stockfish, already boiled and scattered to the desirable shapes. Then after that, I will mix this to combine. I will mix this for at least 3 to 5 minutes to combine, so that the sauce gets into the stockfish very well. You notice that I did not add salt or seasoning because the stockfish is already cooked with those, so adding more could make it over. And then our Ugba is already there's already salt in it, so I just added my Ugba. The next thing is just to mix until it blends together, and the Ugba is ready. After preparing this, you can garnish it with garden egg, onions, any leaf of your choice, like oziza leaf or otazi leaf, I mean to say. So this is a very simple way to make my Ugba. Tell me what you like about this video, and don't forget to share, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and watch the ads. All right, stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.